Hi, I'm Maria Janet, your mentor for today. First term, square it, and first term, last term, multiply it by 2, and the last term, which is squared. But for you to get the factors of the perfect square trinomial, we should first get the square root of the first term and the square root of the last term and put it here. Then there you go, and square it. And another one for the difference. Same step, but the difference is the sign. This is minus. So you will need to square root the first term to find the square root of the first term and find the square root of the last term. And put it here, then square root the 2. So let's move to our example. So the given is n squared plus 16 n plus 64. Yes, we can say that it is a perfect square trinomial because the square root of n squared is equals to n, and the square root of 64 is equals to 8. Then we're going to multiply the first term, the square root of the first term, and the square root of this last term to 2. We have 16n, which is here. So we can say that the given expression is a perfect square trinomial. So next step, we will get the square root of the first term, which is n, and the square root of the last term, which is 8, and get the square. So, yan. The factor form of n squared plus 16n plus 64 is n plus 8 squared.